Okay, it's puppy play time. We have a beautiful litter of 6 Boston Terrier puppies. 3 boys, 3 girls. They just turned 4 weeks old 2 days ago, and they have found their legs and are running around everywhere, playing and having so much fun. I'll give you a quick introduction to each. This one is our little ladybug. She's a girl. Hello, Miss Lady. And this one is Panda. Little one calls her Panda Bear because she has this beautiful solid white collar, perfect classic markings, and looks kind of like a panda bear. She's a beauty. And this little girl is our 3rd girl. We called her Lightning because she was born with beautiful white zigzag stripe down her head that connected to her white collar. But as she gets older, that stripe is fading a little bit. But she has this beautiful silky black coat. She's beautiful and so fun. And then our 3 boys. This is Mr. Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Beautiful markings too. He has a beautiful dot on his head. And such a cute little roll on his nose. I love it. Hey, Charlie. And let's see. This is our big boy. This is Patch. We call him Patch because he has this awesome patch on his collar. And he's a big, chunky boy. He's gonna be a big boy. So cute. He's very calm. And this little boy is Boston. He's our last boy. Also has the dot on his head. Super playful. Loves to climb out of the box already and be around people any chance he gets. Hey, Boston.